Often when I'm out traveling in the RV, I rise early and savor a hot cup of coffee. And spend time thinking, some on the past, some on the present, and certainly the future. Not to mention, contemplate just how good life is. Today my thoughts drift around the idea of how RVing has helped me, I think, stay, well, young. Of course, staying active, eating healthy, and proper exercise are crucial contributors as well. And the simple fact that I love life. I mean, what's not to love? I mean, being alive is certainly better than being dead, right? Enjoying good health, appreciating small moments of joy, and finding meaning in everyday experiences, all while connecting with others and celebrating the beauty of nature. But I do often wonder, how long will I be able to RV? I mean, I'm not old, but in just over 3 years, I'll be considered elderly by American standards. How does that make you feel? So how old is too old to RV? Hello everyone, I'm Daryl Tollison, and today we're diving into the question that many of us have probably asked ourselves, especially as we grow older. And that is, when is it time to hang the keys up to the RV or any hobby for that matter? Hey, if this is your first time here, we hope you enjoy our content. If you do, smash the subscribe button and hit the bell notification so you won't miss the next video. Also, over on the Tollison Life Facebook page, we're actually able to interact with people more often than this once a week video that we do here on YouTube. So check that out as well. So first off, I think we all have to agree that age is just a number. I mean, there are RVers in their 70s, 80s, and beyond who are still hitting the road and loving every minute of it. My father was still going strong and RVing when he was 84 years old before passing away of cancer. We believe that if it wasn't for that, he'd still be RVing and he'd only be about 103 now. So RVing isn't about how old we are, but how we feel and how well we can manage the demands of the lifestyle, which is one of the reasons I want to encourage us today to do all that we can to take care of ourselves, to do those things that support a vibrant, healthy existence. Because the longer we're healthy, the longer we can do those things that we love doing, such as RVing. Hey, look, being retired and living the easy life is wonderful. But I constantly remind myself that I didn't get to the easy life by making bad decisions. I didn't maintain good health by sitting on the couch and eating a poor diet. We got here through discipline, good habits that promote good health, hard work, and so on. And when I try to take shortcuts, I remind myself, if you want to extend your health span, stick to what got you here. And let me tell you, that's a whole nother video topic in and of itself. But back to how old is too old. As we touched on before, as long as we have the desire to RV and we can handle the demands that come with it, then let's do it. Now, the level of demands may vary based on the vehicle that we're in. Clay and I travel in a 40-foot Class A Tiffin motor home. And right now I find negotiating tight areas, small roads, parking in tight places to be a fairly simple task. But that's me at 61. I mean, how would that look at 81? Obviously, we all know that with aging come changes in our vision, including changes in our depth perception, our night vision, and I don't know about you, but we rarely RV during the night anyway. Our ability to quickly adjust to changing light conditions may be affected. How about our hearing? That's important not just for conversations, but detecting sounds like sirens, horns, or even alerts on our own vehicle. But as long as my hearing's okay, and I have no issues, by the way, if hearing aids are in my future, if it helps keep me rolling, I'm gonna check that box. Another important factor to safely RV is our reaction time. You know, our reaction times tend to slow down as we age, and the bigger the rig that you're in, the quicker the reaction time is needed. But as long as we're feeling safe and our judgments and reaction times are in a good space or in a good place, check that box as well. How about this one? How about our endurance, right? Driving an RV can be physically demanding, especially on long trips. But this may be the easiest one to deal with by simply planning shorter driving segments to take frequent breaks. And not just even shorter driving segments, but shorter driving days. And I'm already doing that now again at 61. By the way, how many miles and how many hours a day do you prefer to travel on a given day? Make sure you leave it in a comment. I'd love to hear from you. Obviously, these same demands include those who pull fifth wheels and bumper pull trailers. They may even be more physically demanding, from towing to hitching and unhitching You know, it all has its share of challenges as we age. So let's talk some common sense ways that we can extend our years of RVing. First of all, slow down our pace, right? Shorter travel days that we've already mentioned, more breaks while driving, and again, we're already doing that. Staying longer at each destination. Our minimum stay is at least 2 weeks once we reach our destination. Upgrade the RV to easier access if we need to with grab handles. And of course, nowadays, many RVs have automatic leveling systems and other technologies that provide ease of use, making tasks easier and reducing the physical strain. How about this one? Downsizing to a smaller RV. I can certainly see that in my future. Planning shorter trips by staying closer to home. And if RVing alone is becoming more challenging with age, having a travel companion or joining an RV community or an RV club, man, they can provide great support, safety, and make the experience even more enjoyable. That said, I plan to explore all the countless ways that we can adapt as we age to enjoy that which has brought us so much joy, created lasting memories, and has given us great stories to tell our loved ones. And I hope our stories, mine and yours, continues for many years. Ultimately, the question of how old is too old to RV is deeply personal. It's about listening to our body. It's about understanding our own limitations and finding the joy in the journey, no matter how it evolves over time. But as long as you have the spirit to RV and love the open road and the ability to adapt, there's no reason why we can't keep exploring and RVing well into our golden years. Well, hey, that's going to do it for this video. I know we only scratched the surface of this topic, but to see more videos, click on one of those on the screen. We hope to see you there. Until next time, be well and stay safe.